Let's download R and RStudio. It's super fast, super easy, super powerful. So come with me. Let's download it. All you need is an internet browser, and in that internet browser, simply type in R project, and the first thing you should see come up is the R project for statistical computing. Click on that. The next thing you'll see is just to click on over here to download R. You'll need to download it from somewhere. So find the closest place to you. I'm in Dallas, Texas. There happens to be one in Dallas. Again, just pick the one that's closest. You'll see directions for Linux, Mac, and Windows. I'm on a Mac machine. Just pick the one that's most appropriate for you. The next screen is for versions. So I'm going to pick the most recent version, and it will start downloading just like that. And in seconds here, it will be ready to install. So I will click on that. And it wants a few options. I'm going to click on the defaults. Once a licensing agreement, I will agree to that. And it says it's going to take 175.3 megabytes of space. So I will get to start installing. It wants my admin credentials. So we will supply those. And just like that, in seconds, we will have the most powerful statistical software on the planet at our fingertips in R. And this will be called R Console. And we're downloading base R. The installation, of course, was successful. And we will move those installation files to the trash. And if you go over to applications, a lot of people use R as R Console, just like this. So you would just type in your commands in here and it would come up in various windows. However, there is RStudio, which is an amazing graphical user interface that goes on top of R that has become very widely used around the planet and is very, very useful. So in order to get that, just go back to your browser and type in RStudio, and just like that, we'll have RStudio, open source and professional software for data. Click on that, and it has gained a lot of momentum over the years. There are lots of products that they've developed, most notably server and desktop. We will be taking desktop, and you'll see options for both of them here. I'll just grab desktop. It is totally free, so we will download that. We'll be reminded that it's free, even though there's also an RStudio version that you can mess around, or RStudio server version that is free. We'll just grab the desktop one. And it knows that I'm on a Mac. You can, of course, see that there's Windows, Mac, and Linux and other operating systems available. I'll go ahead and grab the Mac, and it starts to download. So we'll wait for that to finish. It's already done. I'll click on it. It will open it up and start to install. It's going to our machine to go find R that we downloaded previously. It has already automatically found it. I'm going to move that to my applications folder. It has copied that over. So I will close that, and then I'll come over here to applications. We'll find RStudio and click on it. And it is from the internet, but I trust that source. And there is RStudio, and behind it is R. You are ready to go. It is an exciting piece of software, so great job. You're going to love it.